Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products that make life simpler and more fun. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best kite easy to fly for beginners and kids. The Butterfly Kite from Crogift. Designed for ages 4 to 8, 8 to 12, and even adults, this vibrant purple and yellow kite is perfect for outdoor fun at the beach, park, or even your backyard. If you've ever wanted to introduce your kids to the joy of kite flying or just relive that childhood magic yourself, this is the one to check out. Let's start with the design. The Butterfly Kite has a beautiful and colorful pattern that instantly stands out in the sky. It measures 50 inches by 30 inches, with two 118-inch long ribbons that flutter gracefully as it soars. These ribbons don't just look stunning, they add stability, making the kite easier to control even in a light breeze. The entire frame is supported by strong fiberglass poles, which means you get both flexibility and durability. Plus, the 210T nylon fabric gives it a smooth, premium feel while keeping the colors vivid and resistant to fading. Now, when it comes to setup, this kite couldn't be easier. It comes with a user-friendly manual and an assembly video, so even first-timers can put it together in just a few minutes. The line and handle are sturdy and comfortable, giving kids confidence as they watch their butterflies soar. The best part? The packaging is compact, just 17 inches long, so you can easily pack it for a day at the park or take it on vacation without hassle. One thing that stands out about this kite is how well it performs for beginners. Some kites can be tricky, constantly nosediving or spinning out of control, but this one has a stable design that helps it rise effortlessly. Whether there's a gentle ocean breeze or a steady wind at the park, you'll find it lifts quickly and stays balanced in the air. It's the kind of toy that gets kids moving, laughing, and learning how to control the wind. A great way to get them off screens and outdoors. And let's be honest, this isn't just for kids. Adults can enjoy it too. It's a perfect activity for families, giving parents and children a chance to bond, share some laughter, and make memories. The Butterfly Kite is also a great gift idea, for birthdays, Easter, or any time you want to surprise your kids with something that's both fun and healthy. In summary, the Crogift Butterfly Kite combines style, durability, and ease of use, making it a top choice for anyone who wants a smooth flying experience. It's strong enough to handle enthusiastic flyers and light enough for beginners to master quickly. Beautiful in the sky, simple to assemble, and built to last, this kite truly brings back the joy of classic outdoor play. If you're ready to add some color to your weekend and see your butterfly dance across the sky, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product overviews, and share this with anyone who loves outdoor fun. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!